Hi there, and welcome to C# Programming 101 Mastering the Basics. I am excited to have you here at Coders Corner Academy as we dive into the fundamentals of C# programming. Whether you're completely new to programming or have some experience under your belt, this series of courses is designed to equip you with the essential knowledge and skills to confidently write C# code. Programming is a powerful tool that allows us to bring our ideas to life through software, and C# is incredibly versatile and widely used language that opens doors to countless opportunities in software development. Throughout this course, we'll cover everything from the very basics of programming to more advanced concepts. We'll start by laying a strong foundation, ensuring that you understand key programming principles and how to write clean and efficient code. You'll learn how to set up your development environment, explore variables and data types, make decisions using conditional statements, work with arrays and collections, and much more. By the end of the course, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to tackle more complex programming challenges. As you dive into the course, you may encounter new concepts and techniques that might seem overwhelming at first. But don't worry, I've been there myself and I understand the initial challenges. But trust me, with dedication and perseverance, everything will become clear. I remember feeling a bit intimidated and unsure if I would ever grasp it all. However, I soon realized that programming is a journey of continuous learning and growth. With time and practice, those concepts that once seemed daunting become familiar, and I gained the confidence to tackle more complex challenges. As we progress through the course, we will break down complex ideas into manageable steps. I'll guide you, provide explanations, and if you ever get stuck or have questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can leave your questions in the comment section below each video. I'll personally be reading and responding to your questions to make sure that you have the support you need throughout your learning journey. Remember, learning to code is a process and it's perfectly normal to face challenges along the way. I want to emphasize that this course and all the resources provided are completely free. If you find the content valuable and it helps you in your learning journey, I encourage you to show your support by liking the videos and sharing them with others who might benefit. By doing so, you'll help spread the word and make this education available to wider audience. By the end of the course, you have gained a solid understanding of C# programming and the confidence to tackle more complex challenges. Trust the process, stay persistent, and believe in your ability to learn and grow as a programmer. I'm truly excited to be your guide on this programming adventure, so are you ready to unlock the full power of C# programming? Welcome to C# Programming 101 Mastering the Basics. Okay, now we can start the first topic of our course. Introduction to Programming and C#. In this video, we will lay the foundation for your journey into the world of programming. Today's lesson will focus on providing you with the essential knowledge and understanding needed to grasp the fundamental concepts of programming before we dive into coding in the next topic. Before we get our hands dirty with code, let's take a step back and understand what programming is all about. We'll explore why programming is so important in today's tech-driven world and how it helps us solve our problems and bring our ideas to life through software. We will also look at the basics of C#, a powerful and versatile programming language. You'll learn why C# is widely used in various domains and get a glimpse of its capabilities and applications. This video is all about setting the stage and giving you the big picture. It's not time for coding just yet, but don't worry, we'll get there soon. Programming is the art of giving instructions to the computer to perform a specific task. But how do we communicate with the computer? We use programming languages. Those languages are sets of rules and instructions that computers understand. Just like how people communicate using spoken or written languages, computers need a specific language to understand and execute our instructions. It's like teaching a machine how to do something by writing a set of commands. In this course, we will be focusing on one particular programming language called C#. We will write lines of code in a text editor or integrated development environment using C# syntax. Those instructions, also known as code, are a sequence of commands that the computer will follow. And how does the computer understand our code? To execute our code, we need a compiler or interpreter. The compiler translates the entire code into a language that computers can directly understand. On the other hand, an interpreter translates and executes the code line by line. What if we make a mistake in our code? Mistakes or errors in programming are called bugs. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing those bugs. Programming requires careful attention to detail, and even experienced developers make mistakes, but we learn from them and improve our code. What if we don't know how to do something? When faced with a problem, programmers often turn to the vast resources available, such as online documentation, forums, and communities. There's a rich programming community where people help and share their knowledge, making it easier for newcomers to learn and grow. Does that mean we don't need to know everything by heart? Programming isn't about memorizing every detail or solution. It's about understanding fundamental concepts, developing problem-solving skills, and knowing where to find the right information when needed. As you gain experience, you become more efficient at finding solutions and adapting them to your specific needs. Even experienced programmers constantly refer to documentation and resources. Embrace the mindset of a lifelong learner and don't be afraid to explore new ideas and technologies. Through programming, we can create software, build websites, develop mobile apps, and even control robots. It's an incredibly powerful skill that opens up a world of possibilities. Programming is all around us. It powers the devices we use daily, from smartphones and laptops to smart appliances and cars. It's at the heart of the software we rely on, enabling us to communicate, work, play, and solve problems. In fact, programming has become an essential part of various industries. By learning programming, you gain the ability to turn your ideas into reality. You become the creator, shaping the digital world we live in. Whether you're interested in developing video games, building web applications, or automating repetitive tasks, programming empowers you to bring your visions to life. So, why should you consider learning C#? C# was initially developed for Windows applications. It has evolved into a versatile programming language that extends beyond the Windows ecosystem. Let me explain the benefits of learning C#. The first one is versatility. C# offers a wide range of applications. It's extensively used for developing not only Windows desktop applications but also web applications, mobile apps, game development, cloud services, and more. Learning C# provides you with the flexibility to work on diverse projects across different platforms. .NET ecosystem. C# is closely tied to the .NET framework, which provides a powerful ecosystem for developing robust and scalable applications. .NET offers a rich set of libraries, frameworks, and tools that simplify development tasks and enhance productivity. You gain access to this extensive ecosystem, making your development process more efficient. Object-oriented programming. C# is an object-oriented programming language. OOP promotes modular and reusable code, making it easier to manage and maintain complex projects. You gain a solid foundation in OOP principles, enabling you to design and implement well-structured, maintainable, and extensible software solutions. Integration with Microsoft technologies. C# seamlessly integrates with a wide range of Microsoft technologies, including Azure Cloud Services, SQL Server databases, Windows Presentation Foundation, and Xamarin for cross-platform mobile development. This integration empowers developers to build comprehensive solutions leveraging the power of Microsoft's ecosystem. Like any programming language, C# has its learning curve, but it's considered beginner-friendly. Its syntax is like other C-style languages such as Java and C++, making it easier to transition between them. Additionally, there are enough learning resources available. In conclusion, learning C# provides you with versatility, access to a robust ecosystem, strong foundations in OOP, and integration with Microsoft technologies. So, whether you're interested in web development, game development, or enterprise applications, C# is a language that can pave the way for a rewarding and dynamic career in the software development field. In the next episode, we'll dive right into setting up our development environment. We'll walk through the process of installing and configuring Visual Studio. We'll set up our first C# project, allowing you to start building your own programs. Additionally, we'll take a closer look at the IDE itself and explore its key features. So, get excited and be ready to roll up your sleeves as we dive into the particular side of C# programming. Stay tuned for the next episode.